guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly well. Really, I'm going to be using this opportunity to thank you all guys. It has been a while. Thank you very much for your support always. I really appreciate your support. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing oil that can make your stretch mark fade. Yes, oil, a very good oil that you can use to remove stretch mark. Yes, I'm going to be talking about briefly about this oil right here, which is called Biooil oil. Yeah, this very oil right here is a perfect oil for stretch mark. If you have that stretch mark in your body, this oil is a wonderful oil that fade stretch mark. Yeah, and if you have used this oil before, don't forget to leave your comment on the comment section below. I will love to read your comment. Yes, I'm going to be talking about how to use this oil correctly. When I was pregnant, it is when my doctor recommended this oil for me to use when I was pregnant. And as for me, it really worked perfectly for me. I will be leaving a screenshot of my belly when I was pregnant. This oil really helps me a lot to fade all the old stretch mark. Not that after giving birth I didn't have any stretch mark. I was still having a little, but I was still continuing using creams, oil, just to fade the stretch mark. As for me, stretch mark is normal to the body. It is not anything. You have to embrace it. Stretch mark doesn't embarrass at all, because it is normal to all women, especially to the women that has given birth. It is normal, but the only thing this oil does is it fill the stretch mark. Yes, it hides the stretch mark. Yes, you can see the appearance of the stretch mark. That's why I'm here today to show you this oil and how to use it, or how to use it to prevent stretch mark in case if you don't have it today. This oil is a very wonderful oil. I bought it when I was pregnant and I started using it when I was pregnant. Yeah, really, twins tummy, you must surely have stretch mark. I know that I'm going to be having stretch mark all over my belly, my ass, and so on. And really, I was having just a little bit of stretch mark in my ass and in my tummy. This is the wonderful oil that I use from the beginning of my pregnancy till my postpartum. Yes, I continue using this oil. As you can see, I still have a lot inside and I'm still continuing using it. Also, I did a review about a cream that you can also use for stretch mark, which is so very perfect as well. But this very one, it is really preventing stretch mark in case if you don't have it. It really helped me a lot. I love this oil because it fed a lot of stretch mark. Yes, this oil is a very perfect oil to use, especially when you are pregnant. And I don't really know if this oil can fade old stretch mark like you have it some years ago. I don't really know. What I really know about this oil, or how it really works, or how it works for me, it works for me when I was pregnant, and after delivering my postpartum, I continue using this oil, which it really helps me a lot. And it is so very easy to apply, so very easy. Let me just show you example. It is very important you concentrate on the area you are having that stretch mark. You concentrate very well. It is very important. You will have to take your time to massage it into your skin. Yes, you will have to take your time. Let the oil penetrate into your skin. Anytime you are going to be adding the oil, just let it penetrate. Let me just show you example. What I did, I just put a little bit on my palm, then I have to go to the area I have, and I have to go to the area I have the stretch mark. Just imagine this is my ass. Then you have to go, just imagine this is my ass. I have to go in circular motion. I normally go in circular motion in a good direction. In a circular motion, I normally go in circular motion to apply my oil to the area I have stretch mark. You have to rub it, you have to let it penetrate until you don't see any oil on your skin anymore. You don't just apply it like this and just rub it and that's all. No, it doesn't work like that. The perfect way Biooil oil work on stretch mark, you need to massage it into your skin. Let them penetrate into your skin by taking your time. If it is 1 minute, just do it. Take your time and rub everything, let them penetrate so very well, and you will see a perfect result. And when I was pregnant, I did the same. I take my time to rub everything and I make sure all the oil penetrate. I don't see any shining of oil anymore. As you can see, I love the oil. It's not so very heavy. I love it. Really, I love this oil so much. It's not that oil that normally stain body or stain clothes. This oil penetrates and that's all. It doesn't stain any clothes. It doesn't give a stain. It penetrates easily and it works in that perfect area you have stretch. Biooil oil is a wonderful oil to use, especially when you are pregnant. You have to start using Biooil oil, so you have to continue using it. Yes, as for me, I'm still using it up to date, but not like when I was pregnant. I'm still using it once a while because I was using other products which I did a review not so long ago. I will be leaving the link on the description box below. You will have to go and see the cream that I was using, which I'm still going to be showing you more other cream that you can use to clear stretch mark. Today I'm so very happy that all my stretch marks, they fade, I can't see them anymore. Yes, it's normal. As I said before, it's normal. You can have stretch mark. It's not an embarrassment. You have to embrace it. And yes, and that is all about this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share to your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.